Hey guys, welcome back to Dell Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to switch monitor TeamViewer. So guys, it is a very simple way to do. So first things first is open up your TeamViewer into your computer guys. And now once you have done that, you can just simply go ahead and go for remote support. And you can just simply ask for your partner's ID in order for you to connect with them and click connect once you have your friend's ID. And after that guys, you have to get their password as well. So they have to show you their password that is showing on their screen in order for you to proceed and select log on. And now once you are here guys, as you can see, you will have the first monitor. Now, if you want to switch into a different monitor of your partner's screen, you could just simply go ahead and select view at the top over here. And as you can see, we will have an option of view monitor. And since this one is grayed out, the remote system has only a single monitor. So guys, currently my partner only have one monitor, but if they have a multiple monitor, I should be able to toggle each of the monitor over here, and it will have a pop-up like this one. And pretty much that's all you could do. You could utilize this feature over here in order for you to proceed with this process. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.